Hey there, it's Alan here. It's a new year and we're about to hit the summer. And you're ready to earn some loot before you become the next multi-millionaire content creator, or maybe the first billionaire content creator. Just kidding, I think Mr. Beast already made it there, but you can be the second one. Let's make sure you start 2023 with the tools you need to protect and grow your business. There are 9 really important ways that you can protect yourself as a content creator online. Enhance your online presence, protect you financially, and protect your intellectual property. These are hot topics and things you should do ASAP. Number 1, phishing emails. Protect yourself from phishing attacks by not clicking on links in emails or instant messages that you just don't recognize. If possible, copy the URL address, paste it into your web browser, and go directly to the site listed in email for pop-up. Moreover, if you don't see HTTPS or a closed lock before HTTPS, do not visit that website. Websites that do not have HTTPS or a closed lock before HTTPS are not secure usually, and may be used to install malware on your computer or steal your personal information from you. Furthermore, before you enter sensitive personal information into a website or download files from it, make sure the website is secure and legitimate. Hackers are becoming increasingly sophisticated at creating genuine, legitimate-looking website in order to install viruses, malware, or malicious attacks on people's network or computer systems. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Number 2, pay your quarterly taxes to the IRS. As a content creator, you should be paying quarterly taxes because you are now an entrepreneur. You want to pay your quarterly taxes on time to avoid racking up penalties and interest on your unpaid taxes each quarter. If you're unsure of how to estimate your quarterly taxes, when to pay them, or how much to pay the IRS, you should contact a tax professional who can help you make the correct payments at the correct time. Number 3, regularly update your software. Regularly updating your software on your computers and network in order to prevent your computer and network systems from becoming vulnerable to others attempting to penetrate and sabotage you or your systems. The updates sent out by companies often have security patches and help you keep up with the most recent cyber attack methods. The updates do this by patching the holes in the software that has created security problems. Failure to update your software leaves you vulnerable to phishing attacks via known security problems and your software. Number 4, keep accurate records. Keep accurate records of your expenses and income. By closely recording your financial transactions, keeping all your receipts and invoices, and using accounting softwares like QuickBooks Online or Xero, you can take advantage of tons of tax credits and tax deductions available to entrepreneurs like yourself. Plus, you'll make it easier and a lot less expensive for a tax professional to do your taxes at the end of the year because they are like, wow, you're so organized. I have a lot less mess to clean up. I'm gonna charge you a lot less. That is actually a true story. Number 5, don't click on pop-ups. Pop-ups are just annoying, innocent invitation to learn about stuff about you. They're often linked to malware as part of phishing attacks. Most browsers offer free ad blocking software to help you with this. To prevent pop-ups, however, some pop-ups do get through. Do not be tempted to click on them. To avoid malicious pop-up installing malwares on your computer, click the close X button in the corner of the pop-ups. Number 6, tech professional check computers and network for malware and viruses. Have a tech professional check your computer and network for malware on a regular basis. Do this to prevent attacks on your software, theft of your sensitive information, and to remove any potentially malicious software or viruses or computers or network systems. Security for your computer and network. You should purchase softwares that protect your computer and network from hackers and people trying to monitor your usage of your network and your computers. Security system can be installed on your desktop and used to scan websites, downloads, and files to make sure that they are clean and do not pose a threat to your computer or network. The ultimate purpose of this is to prevent the installation of viruses and malware and also prevent people from getting access to your personal information and selling it online or using it to steal your identity. If you're interested in a system of software protection, consider Norton Security Software. Norton has 4 product offerings. There are Norton Antivirus Plus, Norton 360 Deluxe, Norton 360 with LifeLock Select, and Norton 360 LifeLock Ultimate Plus. The cost of each type of product offering depends on how many devices it covers, size of your cloud backup, and more. The standard product offerings are Standard, Select, Advantage, and Ultimate Plus. Let's now talk about your intellectual property now. What intellectual properties do content creators have? Content creators have intellectual properties known as IP that includes training programs, webinars, online courses, web sources, blogs, articles, how-to guides, ebooks, manuals, and other educational materials and creative works that you put tons of sweat and hours of work into. You can copyright your videos, photos, written text, artwork, sound recording, images, visuals, dance moves, slogans, even phrases. By doing this, you maintain control over the reproduction, adaptation, or translations of your work. Trademarks is another great tool that can be used to protect your domain name, logos, hashtags, and online alias to ensure that your business remains distinct from its competitors in the same industry. Also, you want to make sure that no one misleads your audience by pretending to be you or steal them by appropriating your contents. What are the benefits of protecting your IP? You must file the necessary copyright and trademark paperwork to register your IP with the US Patent and Trademark Office, otherwise known as USPTO. After you register your IP, you can generate revenue from your content, expand your audience, and help your business grow in the future. Protected IP can be sold, transferred, or leased to others for a flat fee or royalties, and that equals more money. IP agreements can generate income because you receive royalties neither as a percentage of income earned or a percentage of profit. So your IP can be used as a reliable source of passive income that grows and sustains your business long term. Original content can be distributed to others, used to expand your reach, be monetized, or be a valuable marketing tool to attract new audience, drive new traffic to your website, and help you collect leads and convert them to sales. What may happen if you don't register your IP? Failure to secure your trademark and copyright protection may result in a loss of new revenue, loss of growth opportunities, and loss of profit and devaluation of your content when others freely copy and distribute it. Not registering your IP results in the following. You cannot sue for monetary damages if someone infringes your IP rights, unless your copyright or trademark is registered with the USPTO. It reduces the chances that others will use your IP without your permission and makes your brand more recognizable to the public. Easier to get registered IP removed from online sites. How can you protect yourself from IP lawsuits? Just like you don't want others using your IP without your permission, you shouldn't use others' IP without their permission. So before using someone else's IP on your platform, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Shopify, YouTube, ask for the artist's permission first. That means before you reference artists' work, brands, and their products or services, ask for their permission and respect and honor their reply. What kind of things should you get permission for before including them in your online content? So you should get permission to use the following: brand names, logo, brand services and products, video, photos, and other kinds of visuals, written text, artwork, sound recordings, brand slogans and phrases, and also read your platform's IP policies. They may be different from the USPTO's rules and regulations, but they are still applicable to any content you put on their platforms. Some platforms will publish IP policies on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and Facebook. Lastly, remember to separate your private life from your work. Unfortunately, there are some seriously disturbed individuals who like to stalk or be close to content creators. How people choose their celebrity victim varies, but we do know that too many times, one person's obsession with an artist, yes, you are an artist, can turn to something ugly, dangerous, and possibly a nightmare. How can you stop this from happening? Keep your private life offline. Don't tell people about your private affairs, your family, where you live, your daily routines, and your planned activities. What have you learned today? You run a money-making business. So you must take the extra step necessary to protect your business, identity, financial accounts, and other stuff that other people may try to steal from you. So for more information on how to grow your online business and flourish as an online creator, subscribe to my channel. And hey, if you're looking for any help as far as tax and accounting wise, hit us up. We'll be the protector of those areas and from the IRS. Yeah, and hit that thumbs up button. But if you do have any more questions or comments about this video, feel free to drop a comment below. We'd love to get back to you and help you in any way we can. Thanks so much for watching. Alan out.